We're looking to solve these mixed number problems by converting to improper fractions. So let's do that. We do that by multiplying the denominator by the whole number and then adding the numerator. So 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16, and that goes over the denominator, which is 7. And we do the same here. So 3 times 1, that's 3, plus 1 is 4, and the denominator here is over 3. So now we're ready to solve. The common denominator here is 7 times 3, so that's going to be 21. And then we can cross multiply here. So 3 times 16. So what is 3 times 16? 16 times 3. Let's quickly do it up here. This is what you can do as well. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 48, right? So 48. And cross multiply this way, 7 times 4 is 28, and we are subtracting. So now we can come up with an answer here. So 48, let's do that again. Let's do that as well. Minus 28 is going to be 0, it's going to be 20. So the answer there is 20 over 21. We can do the same process here. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So 17 goes over the denominator, which is 3. 11 times 1 is 11, plus 8 is 19, and the denominator is 11. So there's a shared denominator, a common denominator. We can just say, okay, so 3 times 11, what is that? That's 33. Okay, so now 11 times 17 can be dropped down. Now I don't know what 17 times 11 is, but we can figure it out. So 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 1 is 1. Finish with that, hold the place. 1 times 7, 7, 1 times 1 is 1. Add these up, 7, 8, 1. And now I know it's 187. And it's going to be minusing 3 times 19. So what is 19 times 3? Okay, let's go to this method. 3 times 9 is 27. So 7 goes there, carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 57. So 57. And that will give us an answer. So let's subtract. So I'm going to take that 187 minus 57. That's 0. That's 3. That's 1. So it'll be 130 divided by 33. So now we have to figure out, okay, so how many times does 33 go into 130? Because this says 130 divided by 33. Now, luckily, it's not a difficult one because I know that 33 times 3 is 99. So it'll be 3, and it'll be 130 minus 99. Tell me what the remainder is. So 0 minus 9 I can't do, got to borrow. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 minus 9 I can't do, got to borrow. 12 minus 9 is 3. So 31 is the remainder. And the denominator is 33. So this is my final answer. 3 and 31 over 33.